Summing, adding columns of numbers in a report. A WCI Consulting Instant Access Tutorial. One of the simplest forms of analysis of a set of data is adding a sum to a particular measure or number. In this case, we will determine the sum of revenue for this particular table. We'll start by clicking in the data portion of the revenue column in the first row. Click to select the Analysis tab at the top of your screen. Several new tabs are now visible. Find the Functions tab and click to select the Sum option. You'll now see that the sum of revenue has been added to the bottom of the column. This process is repeatable for any number of columns. Click in the data portion of the Number of Guests column and click on Sum in the Functions tab. Again, the sum has been added at the bottom of the selected column. Notice that the word sum has been added to your report. You can change that to anything else if you wish. Click on the cell with the word sum in it, go to the formula bar, delete the current text, and type in the new text. We'll type the word total in place of the default word sum. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to accept this change. We now see that we have the word total and the sums of the number of guests and revenue columns. In addition to adding a sum to a simple table, we can also sum information on tables with breaks. Let's review an example. Switching to another table, let's first set a break on the column Country. Clicking in a cell in the data portion of the Country column, we'll then right-click. From the drop-down menu, click to select Break, then Add Break. Our report is now broken down by country. Now, the process of summing is the same. Click on a cell in the data portion of the column to be summed. On the Functions tab, first selecting Analysis if needed, then click to select Sum. This will place a sum against each individual break. Notice as you scroll that summing in a column with breaks will also give you a grand sum or grand total at the bottom of the report. For more information about this or other instant access tutorials, contact your WCI consultant or visit us on the web at wciconsulting.com.